What's up, guys? So as I said, I'll show you my parts video. I got all the parts and I have it all installed, and looks really nice. It's really subtle as well. So first of all, I got these engine sliders from R&G, crash pucks from R&G, radiator guard, and I don't know if you can see it, but radiator guard and downpipes guard. It's like a mesh plate. Just give me a second. Maybe you can. I should be able to see it. Okay, yeah, you can see it. So in order to get the mesh plates on, I haven't, as you see, I haven't cleaned the bike yet. I haven't had time. So in order to get that done, I had to remove these screws here. 1, 2, this one, these two, and then some clips here, and also inside here, and the same goes for the other side. So I had to remove the panels on that side as well. Engine slider on this side as well, and also, as you saw maybe on my last video, these lever protectors on each side. And the lever protectors are from Evotech Performance, but I'll show you on my cell phone the Evotech ones and what it came with in the original package. Just give me a second, I'll pull it up on my phone. Okay, it looked like this. See? Maybe you can't see, but as you can see, like, they added weights to each like end, bar end, whatever. Here, this is the weight, but like for the actual setup, for the I don't know the English word for it, but when you screw it in and tighten it, it doesn't have rubber bushings as it did on the original. So that meant I had vibrations and a little bit of tingling in my hands after a 2-hour drive. And so I removed it and only kept the guards, as you see, and installed the original bar end weights and rubber bushings, and the vibrations are gone. So if you are going to order a kit like that, use the original dampeners. In that case, you don't get any vibrations. And also, I bought this footrest thing, shoe, just because the original one is so small. It goes basically from here to here. So it's like, it looks really small in the video, I know, but like, compare it to the original foot and not the shoe, the add-on. It's a nice upgrade. Like, you don't have to worry about the bike sliding around and you know, when you park it and stuff like that. I mean, you can see the crash box as well. But I mean, I'm super happy with the parts. Like, they weren't so expensive. I ordered them from oh yeah, I also installed the bobbins so I can lift it up with a paddock stand. But I ordered it from UK, and because they aren't a member of the European Union anymore, I had to pay tax, import tax and stuff like that, so that sucked balls. But anyways, so it's still cheaper than to buy the parts, exact same parts in Sweden. Like, they add 100% of the, like, the original cost. So say these crash packs, for instance, they cost £68, I think, like, are on the RNG website. And if you buy them here in Sweden, you have to pay 1,300 something crowns. That's like 120 pounds. So not 100% increase, but I mean almost. So I'm like, I still had to pay like $80 or 800 crowns for import tax, but it's still way cheaper than to buy all the parts in Sweden. Yeah, that's it. Still super happy with the bike. Every time I ride it, I smile more and more. I can't even, like, I still can't fathom that I haven't bought it before. Like, it's tour de force, creme de la creme. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll film another video when the braking service is done, so I can twist the throttle exactly like I want to twist it. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.